So here we are in Braamfontein. We're at Tom's Music Store. Just talked to them. They're real cool people. Got some great equipment here. Great deals here if you're looking for stuff. And so here we go with my man Paulie.
Hi. So we're at Tom's now. We're just gonna look around, see what's happening. Because there's a lot of stuff that is interesting. So they have about 3 floors. So we're gonna check them all out. So there's a studio equipment, there's art, there's guitar, everything. So let's open. Okay, so before we can maybe do anything, I'm just gonna show you the main man. The main one. So he's the one that gave us the reason. That's a little bit.
I think go and check with the guys if you want to just feed the eyes. They're just waiting for someone to deliver this. They're sending a driver.
No problem. Here the man is busy. Yeah. So we're gonna go around. So we're looking around for stuff that we can use for our music, and we trying to show you how Joburg is incredible. So these are the things that they have, especially when you're performing like live guitars and everything. So amazing stuff, beautiful stuff. So we're just gonna show you around with the guitars. Amazing guitars, ranging from 5,000. I don't know how much that is in US dollars at the moment.
So 5,000.
Since they're running special today, it's actually going for like 3.9 instead of $5,000.
So 3.9, that's like $120 if you're watching in the US.
So if you need a guitar, fresh guitar, for recording, live performance,
And it's just to give you an overview of the store itself. They have everything you need, even up to a ukulele. Here's the guitars. And then I'm gonna shoot it back to Paulie.
Okay, cool. So let's walk up a little bit because I saw some interesting things in there. Like guitar cases as well. If you want to work around with your guitar, make sure that everything is okay for you. Make sure your guitar is protected. Because sometimes you really need somewhere to put your guitar in. So they have like different colors and different shades right here. Blue colors as well. And then for the mini, for the small ones too, they have it for you. So it's quite interesting to see. The keyboards and everything for those guys who are really good with the keys. So they have it right here. So these are going for like 7, the original price is 7. But in this instance it's going for like 5 because it's a Black Friday special. So I don't know if you're gonna see it, but it's probably gonna be back to normal. I don't know whether they're gonna run the special for how long. And then we got very interesting amplifiers, like last performances. I don't know how many watts. Cool, but this is more like if you have a band in your church or whatever, this is good for that. And then we have other similar things as well.
So we're gonna just circle around so you can see all the different amps and speakers they have. And as you see, they do carry name brands like TV, Orange, and there's 3 levels.
And then something really amazing. You really want to sit down, just have a good time, play with the keys and everything, just put music for my friends. For those people who love music like myself, you can have this in the lounge or somewhere, just to make some music. So they have a lot of stuff, guys. They have a lot of stuff. It's so insane.
Yeah, we can't go through everything, y'all, because we will be here for a couple of hours.
This is so insane. So they got these type of guitars as well. You see, Rockstar, fancy stuff, man. Fancy stuff. There's more stuff on this side. It's crazy. soon, you know. Just to give you an overlook of the prices, it's like 6,000.
So 6,000.
95.
That's about 250, I believe, US.
Yeah.
So they have prices here from what I'm seeing, from the entry level novice up to if you're the expert and you out there grinding it on the guitar.
Yeah. Definitely.
So we're gonna cut it off on this floor, then we'll catch you back on the next floor.